And this competition.
This is just a normal subway seat. Ow, what the?
What in the world?
And welcome to this competition called One.
Can someone please explain what's going on here?
Oh, sounds fun.
Yeah, I could get used to this place.
Beats standing in a fridge all day.
So, if I'm understanding correctly, you guys come from a world of greater beings who rule the world.
Yep.
And these humans, that's what they're called, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, it kinda scares them.
Huh.
Okay, there we go. Starting with you, your name is Subway Seat. Next is Tray, and after that is Contact Lens. Next up, you are Airline Food?
Oh, okay. That was a bit disappointing.
Yeah, Airline Food. After Airline Food is Basie, and
Or what it even is. Ari really couldn't think of anything better as a second challenge?
Oh, this is the second one? I guess we were a bit late to the party.
You didn't miss much. Done.
first one safe from elimination.
Wow, you're really strong for a piece of moldy bread. Oh, geez, I've never had to walk before. How do I even...
Wow.
Alright, now if I could just... This is gonna take a while.
Just so you guys know, there are 4 safe spots left.
Cool. Oh my gosh, finally. Now I just need to flip myself over. Gosh dang it.
And Subway Seat will all be put up for elimination.
Can I please get down now?
Oh, right. And Subway Seat will all be put up for elimination.
Can I please get down now?
Oh, right.
Hey, do you need help getting up?
Yeah, that would be nice. Wow, that's bright. Thanks, by the way.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Do you have any idea what's happening?
Just as clueless as you are.
Next is a stone.
At least this guy seems normal. Hey, how's it going? I don't understand that.
And welcome to this competition called One. The heck?
Beats me. Oh, by the way, shouldn't we be looking for a team?
I suppose we should.
Why don't we team up with them? If it's only the 2 of them, together we'll make a team of 4.
Sure, sounds good to me.
Care to help me over there?
Of circle, and he picks the pile of garbage. Like, what kind of hosting is that?
Wait, you're talking about the host circle?
Do you guys want to be on a team?
Oh, sweet.
Alright, Moldy's team is full.
We should have a team name.
That's a good idea.
I think we should be.
Your next challenge is...
We should be.
It wasn't that hard. We just walked over there.
Where are the sticky notes?
Give him a second.
That's a really nice drawing circle. Oh.
38, 39, 40. Phew, I'm taking a break.
How the heck did you get so strong?
What now?
Splunking.
What? What's the problem? Come on. What's going on?
Oh, that's why you're called Moldy.
68, 69, 70. Whew. Okay.
Can we hear more about your life stuff? I guess so. A few weeks ago, a guy spilled some coffee on me. Hasn't been clean since.
Didn't you say you used to go cave exploring with them? What now?
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
those are
pretty
cool.
interesting.
I like those a
really
I think
that.
I like
Nice.
those clouds.
Alright, now that we got that out of the way, we can start the next challenge.
Ow.
Into the tub. The last team is up for elimination. 3, 2, 1, go. And Moldy wins immunity for her team.
This is getting old.
Hands up into warrior one and hold this pose. Next, you want to inhale, bring one hand to the front, one to the back for warrior two. Exhale and hold this. Touch your back hand to your back leg. Clasp your hands together and bring them down to your chest. Namaste.
Namaste.
All right, shift's over. Subway, do you want to mark it down this time?
Sure.
Everyone else, we got to get the last steak out.
How was your shift, Adam?
It was good. I floated in the pool a bit.
Nice. Oh, grass?
Oh yeah, sorry. Where's everybody going now?
They gotta get the last stake out for more wood.
Do they have enough people?
I don't know. Last time they said it was hard enough without Basie. She still hasn't come out since a bit after Eri disappeared.
It's been at least 900 shifts since then.
Shift's over, Contact. They need your help getting the last stake out.
Oh, okay. What about Moldy?
She's been pretty inert lately. She hasn't talked to anyone in a while.
Ask her.
Okay. Moldy, need your help getting the last stake out.
I'm good.
You'd be a really big help. Figures.
Is that everyone?
Backpack.
Oh yeah.
He's probably by the plug.
Subway.
Can you go get him?
Sure.
3, 2, 1, push! 3, 2, 1, push! Let's go, yeah!
Good job, guys. You guys did awesome.
Celebratory pool party!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Pool party time.
Cheer up, Trey. There's always next time.
Yeah, I guess so.
Poor airline food. I thought he'd make it to the end.
We'll start the next challenge in an hour or so.
Should someone go check on Moldy?
Not it.
Not
Got it.
Did Trey say not it?
So I think it's only fair you do it for once.
Not it?
Just do it.
Fine.
Do you want me to come with?
Yeah, sure, but whatever.
Don't forget to mark the next shift.
Why do we have to keep checking on her? She's just the same as she's always been.
I don't know. The least we can do is make sure she's okay.
No reason she shouldn't be eliminated already.
What's up?
Sensi, Moldy's dead. Moldy's dead, come look.
When's the last time someone saw her alive?
I checked on her like 2 shifts ago. She was fine.
You guys are absolutely sure?
I've only seen dead humans. I assume the same rules apply here.
Is this some kind of joke?
What? No! She's sitting right over there.
She's not there.
She was right there, I swear.
Where the heck did she go?
You guys tell me that.
Maybe Ari took her somewhere.
Hey, Ari! Where the heck is Moldy?
Why is she... Okay, let me respawn her back to where you guys are. I guess whatever happened, it's...
Why are you guys still in the competition?
That's an odd question.
I mean, I wish I wasn't, but I can't really decide that.
You haven't wanted to talk to any one of us in months. Why do you want to ask us now?
I don't care either way. If I won, I think I'd ask for a better heating system in the subway. It gets pretty cold at night.
If I get the prize, I'm asking for some whippy creamy sized sunglasses. Remind everyone how cool I am for winning.
I want some pants.
What about you, Senti? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. What do you think?
What do you mean?
What happened? What are you talking about? You know exactly what I'm talking about. Your house, your friends, family. We've been here for months together and we've never told each other our names. I need a minute.
Hey guys, to make things a bit more interesting, rejoiner rejoining in 3, 2, 1.
Soda bottle! Keep pulling! We can do this!
3, 2, 1, pull! 3, 2, 1, pull!
Hey guys.
Of you dream, my little child.